Let's learn how to send a high-quality video on WhatsApp. The process is very simple, so let's start with the tutorial. Let's open our WhatsApp app, and click on the little plus sign to send a video. So I'm going to choose a high-quality video from my photo gallery. And let's send it. Now as you can see, WhatsApp compressed my video and it's not high quality anymore. It's a little bit blurry. So let's fix the problem and send the high-quality version of the video without compressing it. We need to go to our photo gallery, and open the video that you want to send. I want to send this beautiful New York City video. Now tap on the little share icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and a sharing menu will pop up. Now you want to find the Save to Files option. We need to save the video to our Files app, and if you are using an Android phone, just save it to your Downloads folder also. So tap on the Save to Files, and choose the Downloads folder in the Files app. Now the video is saved as a document. Now we can send the video in WhatsApp, so open it. Click on the plus sign here, and now choose the Document option here. Here is my video, and I'm going to select it. And if you can't find the video here, open the Downloads folder in the Files app. Click on Send. And now the video will be sent on WhatsApp without losing quality, and it will be in the full resolution. That's it for this video. If this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.